Hello everyone, my name is Cindy Paula Navarro Sierra, student at Secari University. Activity Pronunciation Workshop. Today I will present 15 sentences written in IPA with their respective images. My neighbor's house is very nice. My mother has a red dress. I have a dog named Broly. My sister is studying to be a lawyer. My brother's friends play soccer on Wednesday. Maria goes to the gym every day. Barranquilla is a very happy city. I like to sing when I'm in the shower. I'm very happy because the holidays are coming. Swans are beautiful. The sun is a star. Gabriel drives a very big truck. I love the color of the rainbow. The waves of the sea are unpredictable. Reading is a lot of fun. Thank you.